Hey guys, we are back with Cats of Happiness. I'm Mecha Beta, and we are going to be playing. Here is a new cat. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, it looks like a tiny baby human. He has his dreams. He's part cat. Let's see. If you want to read it, you can. Aww. He's touching doors. So cute. Nom. 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 Not sponsoring. This is actually kind of cute. He looks very unhappy. Yet it is too cute. Well, it looks like it's a waiting game. Just like it always has been. Oh, there's a door. And another door. Door. Why do cats like banging on doors? I had one that opened doors once. Yet I'm a big cat person. So cute. I wonder. Well guys, seems like there's nothing much more